This section is on triangles and all the different properties of triangles. So a triangle is a shape with three sides, and we know that the sum of the measures of the three angles in a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. So the three angles can be many different things, but if we add them up, they will always equal 180 degrees. So questions 1 and 2 want us to find the measure of the missing angle. So on number 1, we know that one of the angles is 55, one of the angles is 85, and we're trying to find the third angle. So there's a couple different ways we can solve this, and it doesn't matter what way that you choose. So if we take 55 plus 85 plus x, these are our three angles. If we add these up, they have to be equal to 180. So we can solve this equation for x. This will be 140 plus x is equal to 180. And then if we subtract 140, x is equal to 40 degrees. So that's one way to do it. The other way is to take 180 and subtract the two given angles. So if we just subtract 55 and subtract 85, 180 minus 55 minus 85, we get the same thing. So either way is okay. Question number 2 is very similar. Our two angles this time are 57 and 36. So if we take 180 minus 36 minus 57, then we get 87 degrees. So A is equal to 87 degrees.